I always loved homes and houses and architecture from the time that I was young. The trades are so wonderful. To be able to, at the end of your day, have created something that didn't exist before, and to do it with your hands and your heart and your creativity, it's something we need. It's a needed thing in our communities, and it's so nourishing and supportive for those of us that do that work. I was in the Bricklayers and Allied Craftsworkers Union. I would go home with my forearms with rashes and burns from using different kinds of products. It is very common for people to have environmental illnesses from the materials that they're working with. When I saw the toll that that took on my crew and the people that I worked with, I just thought there has to be a better way. New Frameworks was born out of a passion to create space in the trades for every person who is interested in working with their hands in a genuine way and creating that welcoming environment. And to do it in a way that prioritizes health and well-being, not only of us as workers, but for our homeowners and ultimate end users of the buildings by building with natural materials.
New Frameworks is part of the Efficiency Excellence Network. And it was incredibly valuable for us for a number of reasons. My initial training for being a building analyst and envelope professional was supported through Efficiency Vermont's trainings. I think there is a really strong role to have an authority that does not have a specific vested interest in monetizing or profiting off of the work that's being invested into a home.
I think that there's trust and confidence for Vermonters that comes with the name Efficiency Excellence Network and Efficiency Vermont. I think that Vermonters recognize that Efficiency Vermont is on the cutting edge of really pushing to make sure that we have best practices being employed in our state and helping all of us learn from each other.
We help our customers pursue efficiency because it improves their quality of life and health in their homes. It improves the safety and durability of their homes. It reduces the amount of money they have to spend on their fuel bills every year. And it helps to reduce their own impact in the ecological harm that comes from consuming energy.
It's estimated that we need between 30,000 and 40,000 new homes in Vermont by 2030. And if we divide that by year, that's a huge amount of buildings that we need. So how are we going to meet that demand? And being able to do it in a streamlined way where we're not spending time redesigning and having a brand new design process for every single building. It's already pre-designed. You look exactly what it is, everything's been integrated and decided, prices are known, the materials are specified, and you know that those materials are healthy and safe and a part of a good community approach and healthy approach to bringing buildings to market. We just thought being able to bring that all into a package makes it that much easier to get those homes out, to meet that demand that Vermonters have, and to do it in an effective way. I think Vermont is really well positioned to be a leader in this next chapter that humanity is facing, where we are looking at a combination of, an affordability crisis, housing crisis, climate crisis, and in many ways, social crises of disconnection. I want to see every person in Vermont in a community that feels walkable, movable, has access to everything that everyone needs, and then beyond that, has access to joy and to expression and to belonging in a safe, healthy, happy home.